Hello YouTube, today we're gonna make some waffles! We have the waffle mix, egg, and the oil, and the water, and the spoon, and the bowl, and we have this box of the waffle maker. We gotta put the waffle mix first. So I don't Gonna shake it a little. Looks like the milk. Gonna shake it a little bit. Oops, I made a little mess. Next, we're gonna put the water. Next, we're gonna put the oil. Okay, that's enough. Lastly, we're gonna put the egg. Now we're gonna mix. It's ready. Should put everything on the bowl. You mix it when it becomes smooth. Be careful, don't spill it. Make sure don't spill it. You should hold the bowl. That's important. Myself cannot cook it, and my daddy is gonna cook it. I will put it inside there, and you cook it.
Now first what you need to do is to open the waffle maker, make sure that it's warm. And as per instructions, you have to put some oil on it so that the waffle would not stick on the cooker. Okay.
Don't put the spoon too.
The next we're gonna put the batter.
Whoa. This is so cool. Put everything. I might get burned.
Your hand.
Be careful, don't drop in my plate. Please don't do it. Looks like a seatbelt patch.
You're blocking the camera.
Now I gotta close it. Whoa! Now turn it.
No,
around.
we're not gonna turn it yet.
Now we should turn it now.
Not yet.
Okay.
Leave it for a few minutes until the first side cooks. After a few minutes, you can open the waffle maker and voila! You have your homemade Belgian waffles, perfect for your breakfast. You can now start transferring them on your serving plate. put your favorite fresh fruits like bananas or strawberries or even cheese. And you can top it off with whipped butter and your favorite flavor of syrup. There we go. Thank you for watching our videos. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, comment, and please subscribe to our channel. And also don't forget to click on that bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. So thank you for watching. We'll see you again next time.